Welcome to Zoomer's RV. Today we just got in a very nice 2008 Thor Hurricane. It's on a Ford V10 chassis, 2 slides with slide awnings. Very nice unit, has full basement storage. Generator sitting there running, runs excellent. 2 roof air units, max air vent covers, hydraulic leveling jacks. Again, lots of basement storage. All the gold is paint with clear coat. The black and gray colors are decals. Backup camera, tow package, rear ladder, backup camera, solid rear fiberglass cap, big awning, Goodyear tires, excellent tread. We'll walk inside. As soon as you walk in this unit on the right, nice big leather captain chair or easy chair, recliner. Front captain chairs are like new, not worn or torn at all. This unit only has 30,000 miles. Has a equalizer hydraulic power leveling system, hydraulic, power heated mirrors, backup camera, CD player, beautiful overhead cabinetry, TV, DVD player. Love the cabinets in this unit. Nice dark wood. Has a sofa here on the right that makes into a bed. Has a pull-out countertop. We'll push it in. Goes in right out of the way. 3-burner stove. Convection microwave. Double sink with cover. Pull-out faucet. Very, very nice. Dinette booth slides out to the left. That makes a bed as well. Beautiful overhead cabinets. Another place for a TV there. Cabinets up above, drawers below. All the controls are here on the left. Generator only has 11.5 hours and it's sitting there running. Gas and electric hot water heater. It has heated holding tanks for 4 seasons camping. It's climate controlled heat and air. AC blows through the ceiling. Heat blows through the floor. On the right here past the kitchen has a pull out pantry. Norcold refrigerator and freezer. Double closet here. This is a 33T model. I think I failed to mention that. Restrooms on the left, foot flush stool, cabinet sink, medicine cabinet, dressing mirror, big corner shower with sliding glass doors, skylight and a fan in the ceiling. Rear bedroom, full walk around queen. Very nice overhead cabinets. Air conditioner in the back here. Place for a TV here in the corner. Day-night shades throughout this unit. Has carpet back here in the bedroom. Vinyl in the bathroom and kitchen. Carpet in the front. Just a very nice clean unit. No mold, mildew smells, no mothball smells, pet odor, smoke odor, nothing like that. Just a clean unit. No issues whatsoever. All mechanically, everything is in perfect working order and ready to camp. Any questions, please call. Thanks for looking.